In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate an Elementor page. Whether you're looking to create a backup of a specific design or simply want to recreate a page without starting from scratch, duplicating a page in Elementor can streamline your workflow significantly. And the good news is that accomplishing this is quick and easy by using some handy plugins. First, let's get started by installing a plugin that will allow us to duplicate pages effortlessly. There are a couple of popular options available, both of which are free and reliable. Plugins like Yoast Duplicate Post or Duplicate Page by MNDP Sing 287 are great choices for this task. They provide a simple way to clone content with just a few clicks. Once you've logged into your WordPress dashboard, head over to the Plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New, and in the search bar, type in either Yoast Duplicate Post or Duplicate Page. You'll likely see them pop up among the top search results. Go ahead and click Install Now followed by Activate to enable the plugin. With the plugin installed, you've equipped your WordPress site with the ability to duplicate pages with ease. Our next step involves navigating to the Pages section of your WordPress dashboard. Click on Pages and then select All Pages. This will bring up a list of all the pages you've created on your website. Now, hover over the page you wish to duplicate. You'll notice new options appear beneath the page title. Depending on the plugin you've chosen, you should see an option labeled either Clone or Duplicate. This is your go-to feature for creating a copy of the page. After clicking Clone or Duplicate, a new draft of the page will be automatically created. This duplicate will include all the elements, widgets, and content of the original page, retaining its layout and design without any loss. However, keep in mind that this is merely a draft, and it will not be visible to your users until you decide to publish it. With your duplicate page created, you have the flexibility to either edit it, or, if you're content with how it looks, publish it right away. To edit, simply click on the page title of the draft, and it will open up in the Elementor editor. Here, you can make any necessary adjustments, whether it's changing text, images, or any other design elements. And that's all there is to it. Duplicating an Elementor page is a straightforward task when equipped with the right tools. Plugins like Yoast Duplicate Post or Duplicate Page make this process seamless and save you a considerable amount of time. Now, you're ready to duplicate pages with ease and enhance your website's efficiency. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.